Today I'm going to make my mom's favorite salad recipe. It's kind of Russian salad that she makes always in her parties. If you want to try it, watch this video. First, let's talk about the ingredients. As always, you can see the exact quantity of ingredients in the description. Let's go. Here we have our ingredients. Let's see. Here we have 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Here I have a boiled chicken breast. Here I have about 1 cup of mayonnaise sauce. Here I have about half a cup of yogurt. Here I have salt and black pepper. Here I have about 8 medium-sized pickles and 2 cloves of garlic. And here I have about half a cup of dill. Let's see how to make this. So first we are going to peel our potatoes. Let's start. Now we are going to cut these potatoes into small cubes. They should be very small and even in size. And it's done. Now we're going to add it to our bowl. Here we have our bowl. Let's add it. Now we're going to cut our chicken breast into same size cubes. Now we are going to cut our chicken breast into same size cubes. When it's done, now we are going to add it to our bowl. Now we are going to mince our pickles into small cubes. When it's done, now we are going to add it to our bowl again. Now we are going to grate our garlic. Now we'll add to our bowl again. Now we are going to cut the dills to a fine size. Now we'll add to our bowl again. Now we'll add the mayonnaise. Now we'll add the yogurt, salt and black pepper. Now we should mix it carefully. We shouldn't smash the potatoes, so we can have a nice texture. Mix it carefully and slowly. See it? Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Now we should let it rest for about 2 hours in fridge. Let's try it. Let's try it. It looks and smells incredible. It really is incredible. It tastes as it looks. Hope you guys make it and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for supporting me and like this video. See you guys next week.